This is Sneha. Even though she has done a lot of things in life, not much. But let's not tell her she always gets asked about her hair care. So today, she is going to show you her all Shabang hair care routine.
Hi guys, this is Sneha and I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I will be showing you guys my total hair care routine and how I do my hair and what all goes behind. Okay, so before starting, I wanted to say that my hair naturally doesn't look like this. There's a lot of efforts, a lot of products that go behind, and honestly some things that people usually don't talk about in the internet. I'm going to cover everything in this video. I have all of the products right here with me, so yeah, let's not waste any time, let's get into the video. So the one thing that people don't talk about on the internet, on the YouTube, that I didn't come across is dealing with gray hair. So yeah, I'm also one of the candidates who is facing that, and I usually color my hair every once in a month. So the first thing that I do mainly is going into this intense hair routine is coloring my hair, actually covering my gray hair. That is the main objective. So I go in with this hair color. This has suited me really nicely. Also, if you want to color your hair in the future, it doesn't coat your hair, so that is good. because मैंने ये गलती की थी, मैंने डाई यूज़ किया था एंड वो डाई हटाने के लिए मुझे ब्लीच करना पड़ा पूरे बालों पर, which is not a good situation. You have to deal with your hair 2x, you have to take care of your hair 2x, which is not what I recommend. I usually just go in and color all of my roots. मैं सिर्फ वो एरिया नहीं कवर करती जहाँ पे सिर्फ ग्रे एरिया है. आई गो इन आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द कलर. मेरे मिड लेंस एंड एंड्स के लिए आई यूजुअली गो विद ऑयल or with a conditioner. So the one that I'm using is from Wishcare. This is a castor oil. Keep in mind it's a very dense oil, so इसे ज़्यादा मत लगाओ, थोड़ा सा लगाओ. And this one particular you can also use it on your face, really work. Also use one of these conditioner with the castor oil or with any of the oil that you have, and then I mix it and then I apply for my mid length and my ends. करोगे, if you tie your hair, तुम्हारे जो color hair है वो तुम्हारे नीचे के बालों पे नहीं लगेंगे. So if you have a color hair on your mid length or your ends, तो वो भी ऐसे पैची पैची and ऐसे black stain हो जाएंगे या color हो जाएंगे. So you don't want that. So if you do this mixture, वो नहीं होगा, वो बच जाएगा. So try it. And then वो सब शबैंग होने के बाद I go in for the shower. And for the shower, the best part that I have discovered is this DIY shampoo that I made. And literally I have proofs. I'm not kidding you guys. मेरे पास proof है कि in 1 month I have grown about like 1 to 2 centimeter of my hair. Yes, I claim it. Because हुआ है, I have it's a very easy DIY that you can do. You take any clear shampoo. This one really works for me. This is L'Oreal Hyaluron Pure shampoo. ये बहुत अच्छे से, like, it on its own also I really love this shampoo. So what you take is you take any clear shampoo that you have and you add rosemary, cinnamon sticks, cloves and ginger. Yeah, that's it, and use it. Oh my god, you're going to love it, and you're going to come to this video and tell me that you love it. Like, this is really saved me. Yeah, I really love this. Yeah, bhi itna sahi baki hai, so I'm going to make again, and I'll make a short on it. So yeah, stay tuned. So for the shampoo, मैं हमेशा 2 बार शैम्पू करती हूँ. You have to cleanse your scalp 2 times. But मैं वो दिन मैंने castor oil लगाया था, which is very dense. मैं 3 बार करती हूँ. And usually my second round of cleaning my scalp is with this matrix, which is called Matrix Insta Cure. ये बहुत अच्छा है. It cleans your scalp, so it's good. So try this. And for the hair mask, I really swear by Dove hair mask. I've tried it multiple times, so yeah, this is the only thing that I like. You can try this. And for the conditioner, I swear by Dove conditioners. I mean, they make the best. हमेशा ये वाला ही use करती हूँ. There is no going back. I really love this conditioner. But then I came across this too. This one is L'Oreal's. This one is L'Oreal's 6 Oil Nourish Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. This one, ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. This is a little denser side, and this one is very water jelly like, which I really love. My hair really loves this. After coming back from the shower, never use this cotton or t-shirt material cloth on your bed hair. It will break your hair. Go for microfiber towel. And my aftercare is intense. Okay, I have these lot of products that I use, so I make a mixture of these three products. So the first product is the Blunt's Intense Shine Hair Serum, and then I go in with this Matrix Instacure Porosity Spray. I use the Dove Peptide Bond Strength leave-in conditioner. Love this product. I have used so many of these bottles and put it on my hair because my hair is really frizzy. जितना हो सकता है मैं उतना moisture देती हूँ. There is a complete routine that I do to dry my hair. Obviously, I mean, you should not forget a heat protector. And then I go in with a mousse. So मैं जब भी अपना hair dry करती हूँ, I also style my hair. So I also use this. I use a very little. And yeah, that's it. I will roll the clips of me styling my hair. So yeah, I also apply the mousse on my root area on the crown section. So I am just blowing that out first and drying first that, and then I usually just go in with the bristle attachment of Dyson, and with that attachment I go section by section and dry my hair, and I usually do a blast cold dry at the end because that is really important for a smooth finish like this. And for the front section, I always do this technique. This is really important for me because this gives such a nice hair after you get done. I mean, look at this. I love how this looks. So yeah, that is my hair. I usually go straight. So yeah, that is all for my routine. I hope you liked this video. This was really requested from a lot of you guys. I have got so many requests. I think this says it all. अगर मैं कुछ भी ऐसे नया चीज discover करती हूँ, I will surely come here and talk to you guys about it. So yeah, I will see you in my next one.